Hi there. Here's how to make selling or buying leads even more secure with TrustedForm's new certificate enhancement. Full session replays of new TrustedForm certificates will now only be viewable by users who confirm they can access the PII. Lead sellers can safely provide TrustedForm certificates while auctioning leads, giving buyers access to more information to optimize bid prices. This ensures that leads meet buyer requirements in real time and minimize lead rejections. Here's how to set it up. Option 1. Generate your TrustedForm certificates from a verified domain. All certificates created using your verified domains are visible to you by default through your Active Prospect account. Option 2. Use the TrustedForm API to programmatically unlock your certificates by performing the lead matching process in your API call. Option 3. Find the prompt on your certificate session replay tab. There you can enter the lead's email or phone number to perform lead matching manually. And that's it. Lead sellers and lead buyers alike can rest assured knowing consumer data is safe from unauthorized access. See you next time.